How to quit sugar. Here is a guide on how to reduce your sugar intake. Read food labels, check the ingredients list for added sugars, and avoid foods with high amounts of added sugar. Reduce sugar intake gradually. Gradually reduce your sugar intake. To avoid withdrawal symptoms, avoid sugary drinks. Replace sugary drinks with water, tea, or coffee. Eat more protein and healthy fats. Protein and healthy fats can help you feel full and reduce sugar cravings. Choose sugar-free alternatives. Choose sugar-free alternatives such as stevia, monk fruit, or erythritol. Eat more fiber. Fiber can help you feel full and reduce sugar cravings. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can increase sugar cravings. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause sugar cravings. Exercise regularly. Exercise can help reduce sugar cravings. I hope this helps.